Hello, guys, and welcome back to another post market analysis of Banknifty and Nifty. So, here we have the Nifty chart first. This is a 5 minute chart of Nifty. Let's quickly see which is that one trade that could have picked and which could have made some good profits today. After that, we can quickly go to a daily chart and see how both Bank Nifty and Nifty are looking on a daily chart so that we can be prepared for tomorrow. So first, let's start with this. This is a Nifty chart, and we are on a 5 minute time frame here. See here, definitely this could have been your a pick till that level, because you see what's happening here. Let me remove this. You see what happened here around 10:10 and 10:15. You have seen an bearish engulfing pattern with this as the topmost part of this pattern, and you have seen certain momentum towards the downside. So you should be drawing this region and extending it towards the right side, so that you'll be wanting to see how Nifty is reacting at this resistance when it is coming back to the same level. See here, first, after this candle, which is 11:05 candle, sorry, yeah, so this candle after 11:05 candle, which is looking like a doji, but it's a spinning top. Let's consider this as a spinning top, because this is more like a doji at 11:25. This is also very close to a doji. Difference between doji and a spinning top is nothing but doji will have a line and a spinning top will have a very small real body. But in this, amongst all these candles, if there is no candle like that, then you can consider this as a doji. But since we have a proper doji there, and in fact this 11:25 candle is called gravestone doji. Okay, so that's too much of detail which we don't want now. But you see, real trouble have has seen here at 11:05 candle in the form of this candles with spinning top candle, and after that you have also seen a confirmation candle next to it as a red candle, which tells us that there is definitely a bear domination there. And for those who want to see a proper even more confirmation, then for them, see here you have this candle, which is definitely telling us that this is a strong, this candle can also be called as a belt hold line. Belt hold line is nothing but a strong candle without any of the wicks on top and bottom. Only slight wicks like this are allowed. So this tells us that it's very proper belt hold line. And also, for those who are aware of a candlestick pattern reversal sign called as a tower top, these two are tower tops, and you have these candles in between this first candle range, which is also a reversal signal. So you can refer, you can check what a tower top candle is. Okay, but if you want to know what a tower top candle is, you can let us know in the comment section below, so that we'll try to bring up what a cover top candle is in a detailed video. So currently, so this candle and this candle, these two are towers and these two are the candles in between. This is a top reversal sign, and we are seeing definitely some trouble here at this resistance level. So with that taking as a confirmation, see you are continuously seeing candles here. See here, there is another doji, gravestone doji. Okay, so there is definitely a chance for an entry here, but those who are little confident could have taken entry after these two candles closing. So from there, with this as the first target, simply your first target was reached without any one single green candle. But after that, see this gap opening, you notice this gap opening here, this is giving us more, after this first target reach, this gap down opening of this candle is giving us more confidence that the Nifty want to go towards the downside. So if it's coming towards the downside, which is your next level, this is your next level, right? So simply this small attention here from 11 o'clock to 11:15 could have taken you for a good profit ride of this momentum. So this is one such momentum today, which could have made a good profit. And after that, definitely it is this candle formation here. So this is a bearish engulfing pattern. Let me just zoom in a bit. This is a bearish engulfing pattern, these two candles put together, which are coming at this level, this swing high resistance level. And from there, this is your already this level. See, from there, from here, so from here it's continuously testing that level. So this becomes your support level. So from there to here, it's definitely another momentum that one could have seen good profits in this momentum, if your risk versus reward ratio is permitting. And since you have a good profit there, you can risk here. Okay, it's worth risking. So and it proved as well. And let's quickly now switch to a bank nifty chart. But before doing that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I kindly request you to hit that subscribe button. It helps our channel to grow faster and reach more enthusiast traders like you in the future. And if you like the video so far, please let us know through the like button. So thank you for listening that. And now let's change our chat to a bank nifty. With just click of a button, we are here on the bank nifty chart. And let's try to understand here in the bank nifty, the real trouble has started from this pattern. You know how to identify that? It's really the uh, see, you are at an, so all almost okay, if you look at it on the left, okay, in is this is the recent highs, okay, in the last week or so. So when the market is trading like in such scenarios, this is your first caution. 10-15 candle is your first caution, which is saying that this is a candlestick formation called a shooting star. And after that, you got more confirm, this itself is a reversal sign. 11-15 candle itself is a reversal sign. Excuse me. But since at this level, okay, so let me mark that weak portion of that level. And let's quickly move towards the left side. So here on the left, you don't have any major rejection there, but you have slightest rejection here. After this green candle, you have seen the slightest rejection here. So the location wise, you see, it's not the candlestick pattern itself, but it's the location as well. So since here we don't have that prominent location that we want from the left, so we would wait, we would not want to take a trade there at 10-15. So what could have been done is wait for one more candle. And see, your 10-20 candle is not only a red candle, but it is also completing a bearish pattern called reversal pattern called a bearish engulfing pattern. So that could have taken, and see from there how beautifully it came to this level first. And if you are still patient, you could have taken it to that level. So this definitely was a good chance in the bank nifty here. But after that, most of the momentum here after that is towards the sideways only. There was a lot of confusion here. Okay, so that those were two trades, sorry, those were the three trades that we have seen so far in both bank nifty and nifty. And now let's quickly dive into the daily chart of bank nifty. So here, as you can see in yesterday's video and from last couple of days, we are discussing about this swing react, this swing low right there, right? So here we have seen yesterday a candle which is seeing a rejection. So yesterday we have discussed, if you see a strong green candle anywhere here, then we can very well safely, for a short term, we can aim towards the upper side. But what happened is, see, even though we are seeing a downside momentum continuously from the last week, and even in fact our weekly chart is also looking bearish. Excuse me. You can see that from our last weekly special video. And see, here we cannot call this as a downtrend. Yes, it is a short term downtrend, but on a major trend level, you cannot say that until you see a break from that. See, because we are discussing about this continuously. See, because see, all these lows, okay, so all these lows are still in intact. So this low, let me mark it and show you. This low is still in intact. This low is still in intact. This low is definitely is still in intact. So all these lows are intact. So on a major trend, you cannot say that it is towards the downside. But yes, on a shorter term trend, you can say that, see, this is towards the downside, but the problem is it's at this support level, and we are seeing a green candle today, but it's not a solid green candle that we want to rely on. This is like a doji. So we are seeing bank nifty almost closing at the same level where it's open, but in between it has tried to go towards the upper side, it failed, and it has tried to go towards the downside, and also it failed there. So this is a sort of doji always tells us that the price action is sort of uh, uh, in a non trending stage, and in fact it's telling us that it's definitely not in a one single direction. So that is what is seen here. So we cannot take that as a good a rely mark to trade towards the upper side. So again, see, you see from the last many days how many candles, how many wicks that you are seeing here. And there are so many weeks you are seeing momentums both in both directions from last many days. So it's okay to give it some time and let it settle down on a daily chart, and let's continue only after seeing some strong candles. But in the meanwhile, you can mark your swing highs and lows just like we have discussed in our intraday chart, and you can play accordingly. And see, in the past, even here, okay, so here you have a good sideways action happened at the next all those candles are next to each other, so almost at the same level. Okay, so this is the same zone. Now we are very close to that, and we can already see that confusion here. So give it's better to give it some time in the bank nifty and see how it's going to turn out. So all we have to do is wait for a stronger confirmation to pick our direction on a daily time frame. And let's now change our chart to nifty. So now here we have the nifty chart, and here as we discussed yesterday, see, that was the level here we are looking. So in the nifty things are looking different. So this is the level we are looking at nifty, and we have seen a breakout from that, and also we have seen a confirmation candle here yesterday. Excuse me. But this confirmation candle is not a strong confirmation candle. Like we have discussed yesterday, it is also looking like a doji, right? So this is a very slightly moderately, this can be, yesterday we said that this can be taken only moderately, but this is not a strong candle. So here we are waiting for a bearish candle in order to see a downside momentum. But with the gap up opening, it has let me just remove all these drawings that are drawn on our intraday chart now, so that we can see this candle a little better. Yes, okay. So here, as you can see, this is a candle that we have seen today, and the good thing is here, this any negative implications here are ruled out by this candle today. It's a good, even though it's not a very strong candle, but it's a decent candle which is telling us, which is sitting right across this support area, and it has given us a close above this support area. Okay, so again, we cannot take this as a solid confirmation towards the upper side, because you see that zone. Okay, we are in the same zone. So what happened earlier was a couple of days we have seen nifty trading at the same level, so you should wait again here for a stronger confirmation. But as far as we are seeing, this is a good sign. And in also, you should consider drawing something like this. So it you have to wait for a couple of days more to cross nifty above these levels. Okay, and yeah, if you have seen a red candle there, then we could have been bearish here, but it's not the case here. Okay, so both bank nifty and nifty are trading in their own ways. Yesterday nifty was so negative, but today both have, nifty and bank nifty has opened little a gap up, but nifty is looking little better, little composed, because of this candle sitting down on this support area. But see, this is the bank nifty chart again. Even though this is seen a gap up opening, but this candle is not that strong to call it as a, a candle which is good enough to believe that the momentum is going towards the upper side. And let's quickly turn on the volume and see the volume of this is bank nifty chart, and this volume is not greatest that you're seeing here. Okay, and let's change it to the Nifty. See, whereas in the Nifty, this is little composed, and you can see the volume is also higher here. Excuse me. So that is how both are looking. Both are not giving stronger eviction to believe that both wanted to go up. It's always better to stay composed and let it settle down and see more confirmation coming from the daily chart. But in the meanwhile, you can always trade with your intraday swing highs and lows, support and resistance areas drawn. And if you know candlesticks pattern, it's better. If you identify any good candlestick pattern, so that definitely would help you to pick a good trades. So thank you so much, guys. That's it for today. Hope you have learned something. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button so that we can bring more such meaningful videos to you about the Indian stock markets. And we can learn, we can see how markets work for that particular day on every single day. And this journey, we believe that is going to make you definitely a better trader. So see you in on another post market analysis. Until then, happy trading and thank you.